Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Gather ingredients and prep before heating the pan so timing stays precise. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon water and 1/4 teaspoons salt, then whisk until just blended. You want some streaks for texture. Measure 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon soy sauce if using. Trim and thinly slice 2 green onions and any vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Keep a 10-inch nonstick skillet and a spatula ready. Missized pans change cook time and will alter moisture and browning. Heat a 10-inch skillet over medium-high and add 1 tablespoon oil until it shimmers. This prevents sticking. Pour the beaten eggs in a thin, even stream and let them set undisturbed for 10 to 15 seconds, then use a spatula to push and fold. Short, soft strokes produce tender curds. Stir continuously for 1 to 2 minutes total. Remove from heat when slightly underdone because carryover heat finishes cooking. Add sliced green onions and 1 tablespoon soy sauce at the end to preserve brightness. Customize your stir-fry eggs by folding in 1/2 cup cooked vegetables or 2 ounces cooked protein like shrimp or ham for added substance. Finish with 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil and a sprinkle of white pepper or 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes if you like heat. These final touches boost aroma without overcooking. Serve immediately over 1 cup steamed rice or with toasted bread. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge up to 2 days, and reheat gently to avoid dryness and rubbery texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.